You just have to be in control of something because being in control of something makes you feel like you're in control. And you need to feel like you're in control because you're not in control. But that's funny because you're actually afraid of being in complete and total control. That's because if you're in complete and total control, whatever happens, whatever doesn't go right, then it's your fault. So instead of rising to the occasion and just taking the hits and the shots that come along with being in complete and total control, you shy away in hopes of sparing your feelings and your emotions just to keep from getting hurt. All the while, you're hurting everyone else. No, it's okay. It's not malicious. It's just your reaction to your environment, the things you've been taught, the trauma you've endured, the life lessons that you didn't learn yet. It's not completely your fault. But now that you're aware, it's completely on you. How does that make you feel? You're in control.